Now we will learn how to register feedback or complaint of guest in Hotlync. To register feedback or complaint of guest, click on Feedback Management. And then click Duty Feedback. On right-hand side of the page, you will see the form for registering feedback or complaint. Let's see how to fill the same. In Guest Details section, select Guest Type. Whether guest is in-house, checked out, arrival, walk-in, house complaint. The form will change accordingly to selection of guest type. Let's register feedback for guest in-house. Select in-house in guest type, enter the room number. In Feedback Details, select the type of feedback, whether it's a complaint or positive feedback. In Source, select how did you receive the feedback. Location for which feedback is given. The initial status for feedback should be Acknowledge. Or if you have resolved the feedback, you can select as Resolved. Select the time of incident, select the category of feedback and severity of feedback. Department who should be responsive to revert on feedback should be mentioned. In Feedback field, mention complete details of feedback. And in your action on initial response, you can also upload the images or document pertaining to feedback. If guest has been offered something as service recovery, please mention the same and the cost of the service recovery to be mentioned. Service recovery offered by that department and provided by person's name should be mentioned with comments. Once these details are entered, click Create to register feedback. Once the feedback is registered and departments pertaining to feedback has to investigate, analyze, and action on the same and provide the comments. And resolve the feedback by changing the status of feedback. Once the feedback is resolved, you can close the feedback by entering relative comments.